Another day, another Maker Advent, and, well, we're on the bench finally. Bit of a quick one today. Should have done this last night, but had to go to B&Q, get some stuff to put washing machine and dryer in the kitchen. Yeah, fun night. Anyway, what do we got? Well, we have got 1, 2, 3 a block, rock. You're now thinking, Les, have you finally gone mad? Well, that happened years ago. No. 1, 2, 3 o'clock, blocks. Yeah, also, it looks like the SNES packaging from the 1990s. 1, 2, 3 blocks. You're thinking, what the hell are those? Right. These are 1, 2, 3 blocks. They are heavy bits of steel that you can use in model making, used to hold a pencil. You really want an industrial pencil holder. Okay, there you go. But if you want to hold wires down, you want to hold stuff that's drying, you want something that's got a nice right angle. So if you've got 2 bits of glue, so a base and a side, you can hold it in place with this. Versatile little things. And I've always wanted some, which is a really strange thing to say because they're not exactly the most aesthetically pleasing. Especially if you've got that tripopophobia thing, where you don't like holes. But anyway, they've got a thread inside them. I think it's about M6 thread, something like that. Cheap, cheerful. I wanted some, I needed some, so I got some. Let's have a look on Temu, see how much they were. Now, not a bad price. I'm sure I could find them cheaper, I'm sure I could find them a lot more expensive, but they were the right price for me at the right time. Handy and useful. And now you're thinking, Les, how much do they weigh? Well, let's turn on the Amazon scales, and they weigh approximately, or should I say, no, not approximately, they are 449 grams. 450 grams. It's a bit, we'll say 450. How big are they? There we go. They are approximately half a banana for scale. Because 2 of them, oh no, just under, probably 95% of a banana for scale. Handy, useful little things that you can stick in your workbox. Use for model making, use them for electronics to hold some wires down that are just getting in the way. You can put blue tack on them to hold stuff in place. You can do whatever you want with them. They are just big lumps of metal that are heavy and hold stuff in place. And I've been using them this week to hold the camera in place on this arm because it's going to tip over. Because I've got both of these here, I've got 2 boxes of screws there instead. I'm a maker, it's what we do. Right, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-da.